Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to export post data from WordPress using WordPress Bulk Post Editing plugin. Exporting the data from WordPress is necessary when you need to use these data in another website or another time. The good news is that exporting data is very simple and straightforward in WordPress Bulk Post Editing plugin, as we provided useful options in the Export and Import tab. So in order to have access to the exporting data options in our plugin, first follow this address. So it's WordPress Dashboard, WP Posts, and Export Import tab. In the Export Import tab, you can choose how to export your post data by marking the options below posts and field items. So in order to make every option available for you, it is possible to export data by choosing available condition in the posts and fields items. So the first form is for posts, we're going to select all posts in the table, and for fields, we're going to select all fields. By choosing these conditions, all the data assigned to the posts displayed in the table will be exported. In these conditions, there's no need to add any special columns to the table or select any custom posts in the table, because all the data displayed or not displayed in the columns will be exported. Now the second form is for posts, we're going to go for all posts in the table, and for fields, only visible fields. The exported data related to these conditions include the data displayed in the post columns of the table. It is important to choose the right columns to be displayed in the post table, because only the visible columns in the post table will be exported. So the third form is going to be for posts, only selected posts, and for fields, we're going to go for all fields. In these conditions, you will export all data of those posts which are filtered before in the post table. In order to export the data perfectly by choosing this condition, you need to filter and select the posts, the data of which need to be exported in the post table. You can filter custom posts by using filter form or finding them by quick search. Once you filter those posts, you need to select those custom posts by marking the checkbox next to them. Alright, this time for posts, we're gonna go for only selected posts, and for fields, we're gonna go for only visible fields. This is the most specific data export in our plugin. By using this useful condition, you can choose some custom posts and filter data related to those posts to be exported. To do this kind of data export perfectly, you need to add those columns the data of which needs to be exported to the post table, and then filter the custom posts to select them in the post table. For example, here we're going to be exporting the visible fields of the selected data. In order to export the data of visible fields, we added these columns to our post table, which are short description, post type, menu, categories, and tags. After adding the proper columns, we are going to select the post number 1591 and 1538. The next thing you're going to do is open the Import Export tab, and then choose only selected posts and only visible fields. And finally, go ahead and click on the Export Now button, and that's it, all done. The export data operation is done perfectly, and a new Excel file in CSV format is downloaded. You can now have access to this file. As you can see, our plugin assigned a name to that file, and you are able to open it with Microsoft Excel or import it directly to some other plugins. All columns that we added to our post table with their related data before were exported to the downloaded file as expected.